What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video I will show you the latest news directly related to our story. I will show you an update from Mark Basil and I will show you how we can help him in order to move our case forward. On top of that, I will show you an update from Crucial Mix survey, and I will show you some interesting results regarding the MMTLP community. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section for whatever reasons you want. So, let's start with the news itself. The latest news basically that was the most important news for last several weeks, I guess, was made just a couple of days ago, and it was regarding the House Financial Service Committee and its meeting regarding MMTLP shareholders. But so far we don't have any updates and Anna didn't post anything regarding this event. And we have to wait, patiently wait, and I think we will see some details regarding this meeting, and we just have to be patient. So, let me show you further. We are on Mark Basil official Twitter account, and he reposted this tweet that was made by Sam Hill, and he said, "Thank you, Senator Mike Crapo. MMTLP retail investor community is grateful for your support. Day 278 since the inexplicable U3 halt. Please subpoena the audited aggregated share count." And here's the picture, and let me quote you this information. "Throughout our MMTLP journey, there have been many that have stepped forward and gone beyond expectations. Senator Mike Crapo, Idaho, is the most recent. Please give him a round of applause for listening to his constituents' needs and for being the voice for so many MMTLP investors. We thank you." Yes, I think he is the most important person for now for MMTLP community, because he was the only person who asked Gary Gensler just 2 days ago regarding MMTLP story. So, let me show you another tweet that was made by Mark Basil. 19 hours ago he wrote this: "MMTLP, it's now time to exert new pressure on the remaining members of Congress to educate them about this situation using the senators' hearing questions as a new starting point for the community. It's time for the remaining members of Congress to join Mike Crapo in his call for information that will likely expose the market corruption or unfairness to Main Street retail. If the SEC throws FINRA under the bus, then what exactly is the SEC's responsibility in this? Who can retail rely on to protect their interests? It's time to hunker down, double down, and get down to campaigning to educate the rest of Congress. The media also must start covering this in a way that is fair to this community. Enough with blaming retail. Investigate the facts. They are all in plain sight." And yes, I think for now it is the moment where we have to push our case forward to Congress members, because it is the point where a lot of congressmen are aware of our situation, but they don't know the details. And definitely, to know more about this, we have to contact our representatives and we have to contact our congressmen in order to give them this information. But guys, please do it very polite and professionally, because we don't have to be annoying. We shouldn't be annoying to them, because it will have completely opposite reaction. And that is why I highly suggest you to use official ways of contact from your Congress members, and that is how we can push our case forward together. So, let me show you this information. Junk Savvy wrote this tweet 17 hours ago, and this tweet basically proves that FINRA doesn't do properly its duties. So, FINRA's got some explaining to do, and she reposted this tweet that was made by Sensei, and he wrote, "FINRA's greatest corporate action contradiction. FINRA Rule 6490. FINRA does not initiate, approve or conduct CAs. Their role is limited to review and processing and announcing unless the corporate actions is found to be deficient, in which they will not allow. FINRA does not review corporate actions. So, and here you can see the screenshot from their own Rule 6490, and I have to say that during this saga from the end of 2022 till present day, we found a lot of information regarding FINRA and SEC, where they allegedly was involved in the illegal activity and where they are contradicting to their own rules and statements. And this situation should be changed, and we have to fix this problem not only for MMTLP community members, but for entire retail community who want to trade on a fair market. So let me show you another very important and interesting information from RareDD. He makes very interesting and very thorough due diligence, and 4 hours ago he wrote this. I'm still doing FINRA's and the SEC's job, but there's proof that it was Concord Genuity and GTS Securities illegally trading MMTLP in the pre-market on December the 8th, 2022, violating FINRA Rule 11892 due to the price moving more than 10% pre-market for a security under $25 mark. And this is another evidence that they don't do properly their duties, and that is why we have to change it. On top of that, he also added, also, what's the OTC market maker planning with that low bid? Clear conflict of interest. But back to GTS and Concord. These guys appear to be always mentioned together when there is market manipulation. Fascinating. And he added a couple of screenshots where these two companies, GTS and Concord, were mentioned in other cases that was also allegedly illegal. So, and this is another evidence of this activity on the market. And guys, let me show you quite interesting information from Crucial Mix. You know that recently we had a survey on the MMTLPresources.com website, and Crucial Mix made a conclusion regarding this survey. He posted this tweet 6 hours ago, and he wrote, MMTLP survey results are in. For in-depth analysis, watch this video. Otherwise, you can view the data at the link below. Thanks to everyone that participated. What results do you find the most surprising? Here is the link on the survey. Survey results are not financial advice. So, and let me show you these results in details. And I don't want to dig deeper inside each and every question. I just want to show you some interesting, in my opinion, responses. So, I have to say that the majority of MMTLP investors was involved in this investment process with MMTLP for more than 2 years, 65%, as you can see right here. Next question. We don't have a lot of people who was forced or who made the decision because of someone else's recommendations. It was a pure due diligence that these people made. Next one. It's not important in my opinion. How many total shares of MMTLP do you own? And the majority of people, as you can see, 31%, 16% and other, own more than 1,000 shares, and 16% own more than 25,000 shares. So it is quite big position in MMTLP. It is not so important, and somewhere here. So, do you feel NextBridge Hydrocarbons cares about their shareholders? 71% responded yes, and 29% said no. And this shows that the majority of MMTLP shareholders think that NextBridge Hydrocarbons do their job properly. But definitely, in my opinion, the negativity regarding their activity is 100% related to authorities, because authorities are stonewalling our efforts to push the case forward, and that is why Basically, next bridge hydrocarbons cannot do anything without even the proper information regarding the share count. Next one, and it is quite interesting. In your opinion, has next bridge hydrocarbons been more communicative and transparent with shareholders in the last 60 days? And right here you can see that 41% said no and 59% said yes. And this means the latest activity of next bridge hydrocarbons is not so transparent. And what does it mean? I think a lot of people should know more about the spin-offs, about all the activity that next bridge hydrocarbons performs right now. Because in general, we don't know the information regarding their Orogrande project and what is their next step towards the exploration of this property. And that is why I think people deserve more information from next bridge hydrocarbons. So here's another quite interesting results. What are your thoughts on how FINRA handled the spin-out? And as you can see, the majority of people said that it is extremely poor results on FINRA's work. And the same with SEC. They made their job exceptionally bad. So the next question, what do you feel is the best path to a resolution of MMTLP? And the majority of people think that it should be a combination of judicial and legislative. Let's hit them from both sides. And I also think that we have to work together and to hit them from both sides, because we don't know which way will be the beneficial for us, but we have to use every possibility and every chance that we basically have right now. So, another question. When do you honestly feel there will be a resolution for MMTLP shareholders? And let me show you that 15% of the shareholders responded probably never. And this means a lot of people already lost any hope in resolution in favor of MMTLP community. And this is really upset. So guys, I don't want to dig deeper inside these results. If you want, you can do it by yourself. But I think that's all information that I want to show you for today's video. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section for whatever reasons you want. See you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.